Hello everyone. As a software engineer, have you ever wanted to share a website or API service running on your machine with your colleague or a customer? Well, that's a use case for a local tunnel. Here, you create a secure tunnel between your machine and the internet to receive HTTP requests and responses seamlessly. Bceptor offers a local tunnel service that's super easy to set up and get started. First, download the command line application using the provided links. Next, you run the app by specifying a port number. Finally, you will get a URL that is super easy to browse. Let's deep dive with a React application running locally on my development machine. I'm going to switch to the terminal and start a React application. As you can see, the application has loaded on port 3000 and it is being served from my local host. Now I'm going to open another tab and then run bceptor CLI and ask it to route port number 3000. At this moment, it is going to establish a secure connection and give me a free HTTP endpoint where I can route all my requests. Let's copy this URL and open it in web browser. What you see is the exact same application but publicly accessible by anyone. Go ahead and share this with your colleagues and customers. Any request that comes to this URL will be routed locally on the console. You can see all incoming requests logged in the terminal. So that's an easier way to share applications or websites running locally for a quick demo with customers. Are you ready to wow with your demos? Try Bceptor's local tunnel today.